realize mo that you have much time, para sa akin, take advantage of it. Talagang gamitin nyo yung control. Okay. Hindi mo ako dali.
But I feel like when it comes to business naman, or like let's say here in First Vital Plus, what are the advantages ng mga kabaitaan once they start to? Once they start na kabataan pa talaga sila.
Oo, syempre, yung advantages, napakaraming advantages. In fact, I feel so excited for yung Kabaitans. Kasi remember this, when I started the business in 2002, by the way, 23 years old ang first Vital Class, ha? So I started it when I was 32 years old. Okay? Tapos, yung mga dealers noon were not as young as you. Wala kaming 15 to 25 to 30. Siguro, kakawindi lang siya, no? How old were you when you started? 25 na. Okay, I was 32. So, yun yung ano namin, average namin, 25 and above. Yan ang mga dealers ng First Vital Class. So, imagine, if how much millions have you earned in First Vital Class now? 120 million si Chef. Okay? Imagine, Chef started at 25. Kung mas maaga pa yun, na sinimulan niya, katulad nyo, na nandito ngayon, kasi si Mike, 18 years old. Si Ren, 19 years old. Don, 19 years old when he started. I mean, at that, okay, ilan pa dapat na milyon ang nadagdag dapat kay Chef? No? So, mas marami siguro. So, I think, one of the biggest advantage of you as Kapitan is because you have so much time to really build wealth para maging multi-millionaire sa First Vital.
Yes, I agree.
Gamitin to the full. Okay?
Okay, pero having said those advantages naman, like with all, ako lang ba na parang na-realize ko after college or like while I'm studying in high school, na-realize ko na ngayon, ang dami na kasing options to make money. There are a lot of businesses out there. There are lots of ways to earn. There are lots of ways to earn money, diba? Jobs that you can take.
You mean
businesses
outside,
that you can do.
aside from First Vital Class? Kasi sa First Vital Class, when you say ways to earn, ang dami natin ways to earn. About 12 ways to earn in First Vital Class.
Yes, but outside, habang hindi pa sumasali ng First Vital Plus, parang ang dami kasing options nowadays, diba? Parang ang competitive na. Pero, why should yung mga kabataan now choose First Vital Plus?
Okay, sino dito ang hindi pa dealer ng First Vital Plus na kabaitaan? Meron ba? Meron pa dito tayo mga guests na not yet dealers? Can I just see hands? Can I just see hands? Oh, ang dami pala. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much, ha. Kasi syempre, alam ko na pinili nyo to be here rather than be with, let's say, Marcada. No? Pero nandito kayo. So, thank you so much. Pero mamaya, I would congratulate you for why you are here today. So, marami talagang choices. Let's say choices. And starting your First Vital Class business is a great risk. Siyempre, malaking risk para sa inyo. Okay? But, para sa akin, alam niyo po, it can really shape your future far and beyond what traditional path can offer. Yun yung nakikita ko para sa akin.
You mean like yung mga working 9 to 5 jobs,
Yes.
having a desk job?
Yeah, being an employee, di ba? Okay, so, number one, kanina diniscuss ni Jeff, I was listening. Tama si Don, nakikita ko kayo, naririnig ko kayo. Pinakita pa ni Don yung yung video ko na talagang tinitignan ko siya, yung suot niya, simula siya hanggang ngayon. Okay. So, it gives you freedom. Yung kalayaan, very important kasi sa mga kabaitaan ngayon eh. So, very important sa inyo yung salitang freedom. Noong panahon namin, wala masyadong freedom. Okay? Pag nagreklamo kami, titignan lang kami ng magulang namin.
Tama.
Wala na.
Totoo yan.
Endgame na.
Tingin lang.
Pero ngayon, pag nagreklamo kayo, ang dami yung sinasabi, ang dami. Tapos, ang ending, nag-a-agree na lang yung magulang sa inyo.
Tama.
Ayaw na kami magdebate. You have that much freedom Maraming tatay yung mga pagbulag na dito ngayon. Sige, narinig ko na tama. Okay, the freedom and independence that it will give you. Yes, maraming pera sa labas, tama. Tama yun. When you're working, marami kang pera, pero ang problema oras. Pag gusto mo mag-travel anytime, you're earning 50,000 a month sa job mo, call center, etc., etc. But what if you want to travel tomorrow? Ano kailangan mong gawin? You have to take a leave of absence, tama? Kinakailangan mag-file ka. Pag hindi pwede, wala kang kapalit, most probably, hindi pwede. Hindi ka papayagan. So, you're earning so much. But the question is, how much freedom do you have? Gaanong kalayaan ang meron ka para ma-enjoy mo yung pinagkakakitaan mo. So, time alone. Time freedom. Wala na. Here in First Guard,